Hey there, South Texas. Happy Friday to you all. Hope we're all enjoying the end of this wonderful week. So we've been pretty lucky these last few days. We've been enjoying really light winds here in the coastal bend, but today that's changing because right now most of our area is seeing breezy to windy conditions. Right now in Corpus Christi, it's pretty windy. We're seeing east-southeast winds blowing at 21 miles per hour. And unfortunately, these windy conditions are going to stick around through the weekend because we're seeing some high pressure to our east and low pressure to our west. So that's going to create some windy conditions in between these two areas of pressure, but that's not the only thing it's going to do. There's some Saharan dust right now currently in the southern Gulf, and this wind is going to be pushing that Saharan dust into the coastal bend. It's going to be arriving on Sunday, and unfortunately the African dust is going to be lingering possibly until the end of next week. Now taking a look at Category 4 Hurricane Hector, he's been upgraded on this Friday, packing wind speeds of 140 miles per hour. He finally passed the Hawaiian Islands, currently in the Central Pacific. Now this is a pretty remarkable storm because not only does it have a really well-defined eye, it's also done a fair bit of traveling. It's passed from the Eastern Pacific right off the coast of Mexico through the Central Pacific, and it is expected to move into the Western Pacific. And once it enters the Western Pacific, it'll no longer be Hurricane Hector. Instead, it'll be Typhoon Hector. But this really makes it a very remarkable storm because in the last 20 years, only 3 hurricanes have moved over all 3 of the Pacific basins. Hurricane Genevieve back in 2014 was the most recent hurricane to achieve that. Jimena back in 2003 and Dora back in 1999. So this is extremely rare for hurricanes in the Pacific to achieve. Now taking a look at the future tracker for this weekend, rain chances for Saturday. We're going to see some isolated showers pop up along the coast Saturday morning, and then throughout the day as we get that daytime heating, we'll possibly see some more showers moving through the area. But the good news is by tomorrow evening, some of the shower activity will be tapering off. But as you can see, around 6 o'clock, we'll still be seeing some showers here in the area. But tonight here in the coastal bend, in case you have some fun Friday night plans, expect to see mostly clear skies. And if you look up at the sky tonight, you might even be able to enjoy the Perseid meteor showers. Definitely a pretty cool treat. Expect a low near 78 degrees and south-southeast winds up to about 15 miles per hour. Let's go ahead and take a live look outside at the Port of Corpus Christi and the Harbor Bridge. We are seeing mostly sunny skies, and as you can see, the camera is shaking quite a bit because it is also pretty windy right now here in Corpus Christi. And looking ahead at tomorrow, there are isolated storms in the forecast, but for the majority of the day, expect partly cloudy skies. Temperatures once again will be reaching the 90s. We'll see a high near 94 degrees in Corpus, and the winds will remain breezy to windy, blowing out the southeast up to about 20 miles per hour. Well, now it's time for your 7-day forecast brought to you by AutoNation. Get one price pre-owned vehicles only at AutoNation. Every pre-owned vehicle is clearly marked with just one price. Shop now and save at AutoNation.com. Now breaking down the 7-day forecast, unfortunately there is a chance of isolated showers and storms on our Saturday. Also, it's going to be pretty breezy. Sunday windy with a stray shower or 2 in the forecast, but Sunday that Saharan dust is going to be arriving at the coastal bend, so we're going to see hazy conditions Sunday pretty much through Tuesday. Now that dust is going to be remaining in the air through the end of next week, but by Wednesday it'll be lessening quite a bit. Expect partly cloudy skies and very warm temperatures for the second half of next week. That's all the time for me in the forecast. Andy, back to you.